Okay, so this is a short video showing what we've been up to for the past, say, 6 or so months with the shop apartment. Ethan had bought a building. This is his building. It's going to be his machine shop. We have a lift, and there was a partially finished apartment, but it didn't have a living room, and the kitchen needed to be reconfigured. So we ended up building the living room. There's some of the architecture that came with the building. There's a loft up here that can be an office. We built a loft up there for storage. Stairs to go up. Mud room. Obviously the outside's not finished yet. Not sure what we're gonna do with it. But here's a small tour. So basically we're coming in the side over here. And we come into the mudroom. So here's the mudroom. We still got trim to finish. We got to do the threshold trim. Got to finish the rest of the mudroom. Got to do some door trim. But the walls are done, painted. And then you walk into the living room and our eating area. So this is the room that we added to the apartment. It's just me and Jen, so it's plenty of space, and Chloe, of course. We got our chairs, the TV. This chair has to go into storage, but there's the pallet wall. We still got to finish patching some of the wall. There's a little dining room table for us to eat. And then we go into the kitchen. We had to reconfigure the kitchen to make it work. The people that put the kitchen together, it didn't make sense. So we had to tear all the cabinets out, reconfigure everything. So Jen and Kathleen built these shelves for each side of the stove. And built this shelf going across here. Brian did that. Hung the cabinets. Got granite granite countertops. Little pantry. And here's our back door, which goes out to a pretty big backyard. And a train. Yeah, we have to deal with a train. I'm used to it though. So you walk into the kitchen. We made this little island out of the cabinets that were over here next to the stove. Here's a spiral staircase that goes up to a very large bedroom. Refrigerator. There's a little island. Part of the kitchen. Trying to maximize space wherever we can, for this little apartment. And then we got the bathroom and laundry room. It's pretty big. So this is a laundry area. You see, we got all our supplies. We built the shelf to put the washer and dryer up, and put the storage bins underneath for laundry. And there's a shower, big shower. Big shower. This cabinet here, made out of a pallet. Just a pallet, stained. Hung some mirrors on it. More granite, all barn wood. This is all the shelving is barn wood. Doors barn wood. Everything in the living room is barn wood. Then we have a closet, hot water heater. There's some shelves, cabinet. Ceiling fans in all the rooms. Lighting. Track lighting. So not bad. Lots of space, lots of room. That's the kitchen. More track lighting. There's all the barn wood. The flooring. It's all the windows out to the shop. So this is our casa for now. For a couple years. We're going to start getting ready to sell our house in Lancaster. And then save up some money for a couple years and we'll go buy our forever home. So we still got some organizing to do, some stuff that we got to put away and find places for, but this is it. This is our little apartment. A cool clock. Kind of goes with the shop. It's got gears and stuff. That's neat. Under cabinet lighting. That's it. So this is what we've been doing. This is where we're going to be staying for a while. We're going to be getting everything in storage, and Ethan will be getting the building wired for all his machines. And this will be the headquarters of Smolik Performance. This is where all his CNC machinery and will be. So this will be where he's running his machine shop. All right. That's it. Thank you. Later.